Mother of mine, how do I say all the love I feel today? Through every storm, through every mile, you held my hand, you made me smile. And when the world felt cold and wide, you were always by my side. With every tear, with every fall, you lifted me, you gave your all. Mother of mine, my guiding light, through the darkest days you made things right. No words could ever be enough to thank you for your endless love. You gave me strength, you taught me grace, wiped my tears and kissed my face.
Unang question, how old is mommy?
50 plus po siguro, or 40, hindi ko po sure.
What do you love about your mom?
Love po sa mami ko ay yung lagi siyang reasonable at mas pinipili niyang magsakripisyo para sa amin or para sa ibang tao bago yung sarili niya.
Any more message para kay mami mo, kay mama mo?
Happy Mother's Day at sana i-enjoy mo lang itong araw na to. At nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Kami ng kapatid ko, tsaka nila auntie at uncle. At andyan din yung mga kasama mo dyan. Huwag ka lang mahiyang magsabi ng mga problema mo. Yun lang. Enjoy the day. Happy Mother's Day ulit, ma. I love you.
Hi, Bri. I have a question for you for your mom. What is something mom always says to you?
Pag ano po, pag pagpapaalam po ako sa kanya pag-aalis ng bahay, lagi niya pong sinasabi na mag-iingat, ganun po. Tapos, sinasabi niya din po lagi na, makakarating naman po doon kahit hindi magmamadali. Hindi po mabilis yung takbo, ganun. Basta lagi lang po mag-ingat. Tapos pag sa school naman po, pag sinasabi ko sa kanya yung grade ko, minsan may mababa, minsan din po mayroong mataas. Sinasabi niya po lagi na na okay lang yun, pwede namang bumawi sa susunod. Tapos kung ano lang po yung kaya ko, yun lang po yung okay lang naman po sa kanya kung ano lang po yung kaya kong kunin na grade. Tapos kaya niya po, basta huwag magpapabaya sa child.
Okay. Second question. If your mom becomes famous, what will it be for?
Pag magiging famous naman po siya, siguro po sa pagluluto. Kasi po lagi ko pong nakikita sa mga post niya, lagi po siya nagluluto. Tapos pag umuwi po siya dito, lagi niya po kaming pinagluluto ng kung ano-ano. Gigising po siya ng maaga, ganun. Kunyari, pancake po sa umaga. Tapos tinuturuan niya rin po ako magluto ng mga iba't ibang ulam. Ganun po.
Anything you want to add, Brian, para kay mama mo? Any message?
Ano po, huwag niya pong papabayaan yung sarili niya, tapos lagi po siyang mag-ingat dyan. Isure ko po sa kanya na lagi ko pong pagbubutin yung pag-aaral ko. Lalo na po pagka-college siya ako. Tapos ipapromise ko na rin po sa kanya na hindi na rin po ako masyadong gusala. Tapos bawasan ko na ako po yung pag-practice ko. Ayun po, lagi lang po siyang mag-iingat dyan. Tapos sa alagay niya po lagi yung sarili niya. Mahal na bakit po namin.
Hi, Kenzo. Hi, Krisha. Your first question. How old is your mommy?
She is turning 49 at May 11 this year.
Okay. Then, how about for Ate Krisha? What is her favorite things to do?
She likes to exercise and gardening her plants.
Kenzo, what makes your mom sad?
When I do bad things, she is sad.
Okay. For Ate Krisha question, what do you love about your mom?
I love that she is a loving and caring mother, and I love that whenever she comes home from work, she gives us free food from Wendy's.
Do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day?
We love you and miss you, and we hope that we will be together again as a family. And happy Mother's Day!
Favorite memory of my mom was when I was little. She used to bite my ears and it always tickles me. What is the thing that I love most about my mom is that she's very loving and she is always very supportive in what I do, even though sometimes it gets me in trouble. And the message I have for her is that though I do not show that I love her always, I don't tend to tell her that I love her. I love her very much, and I hope she heals from all her sickness, and I hope she gets more blessings in her life. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
What makes mom happy?
My mom's happy when she's supposed to do well.
For Kuya King, what makes mom sad?
She becomes sad po when she, of course, when she sees us sad or when we're struggling with certain situations.
Ash, what is her favorite things to do?
My mom's favorite things to do is probably watching and relaxing because she's always tired from work.
How about for King? What do you love about your mom, King?
She is a very hardworking person po and will try her best to solve any situations po that we have or she has.
Ash and King, do you have any message for your mom for Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I pray that God continues to keep you safe and safe. Thank you for working very hard for us, and God bless you.
Happy Mother's Day, Matt. Thank you for being a faithful and hardworking person. Don't worry about that stuff. We're doing just fine, and don't stress yourself out too much this week.
Hi Charlie! Kumusta ka naman? Meron akong question para sa'yo, para kay mama mo. First question, what is something your mom always says to you?
My mom always says to me that stay up too late. If my breakfast falls, be kind to others. Don't believe everything you read and obey them up.
Okay. Second question, what makes your mom happy?
My mom makes happy by spending quality time with loved ones, keeps happy and thriving, and sharing laughter and memories.
Wow. Lastly, do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day?
My message to my mom is to tell her that I love her so much, to thank her at work. Thank you for always being there for me and to put me in she's far away. Once again, I love you so much and I miss you.
Yeah. Hi Lester, good evening.
Good evening po.
Okay, so your first question, what is mom's favorite color?
Blue po.
What food does mom cook the best?
Sinigang na baboy, sobrang sarap at the best talaga magluto.
Wow. Then, do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Sana makabakasyon na ulit dito. Sana po okay ka lang dyan, okay ka lang dyan kung kung okay ka lang dyan, gano'n. Then sana ma-appreciate niya lang po itong message ko na po ito. Maraming salamat po sa sakripisyo na ginawa niyo sa yun lang po. Maraming salamat po, Mama. I love you so much. Happy Mother's Day.
Good evening, Jan.
Hello po.
Your first question, what's your favorite memory with Mom?
Yung pinaka-favorite ko po memory sa nanay ko, yung kaarawan ko po yung malaking celebration. Hindi niya po lahat ng pagod para mapasaya niya lang po ako.
Okay. Your second question, what do you love most about Mom?
Pinag-aaral niya po ako hanggang she's taking caring us po.
Do you have any message to your mommy for Mother's Day?
Meron po.
Ano yun, Be?
Hello Mama, I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Salamat po sa pagpapatuloy niyo po pag-aaral sa akin at binibigyan niyo po ang gabay at salamat din po sa servisyo niyo po sa akin at sana po mapagtapos niyo po ako sa pag-aaral katulad ng mga kuya ko. And again, Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you so much.
Hi, Stephen.
Hello po.
I have a question for you, for your mom. First question, what is something your mom always says to you?
She always tells me to persevere and never give up on whatever I set my mind on to.
Okay. Second question, if your mom becomes famous, what will it be for?
For charity and service, because she's a very loving and charitable person, so she would probably be known for giving to those in need unconditionally.
Wow. Then, do you have any message for your mom in Mother's Day?
I would just want to say that your love and kindness and faith inspire me every day. I'm very grateful for all that you do for me, and you are a very good example for both me and Sean.
Hi, Sean!
Hello po.
Yeah, how are you naman?
I'm okay po.
I have a question for you. First question, how does your mom make you laugh?
She makes me laugh with her funny jokes po.
Then second, what is her favorite things to do?
Her favorite thing to do po is to sleep po. She loves sleeping po.
Sleeping, yeah.
And resting po po.
Do you have any message for your mom for Mother's Day, Sean?
Happy Mother's Day po. Thank you for your love and kindness and laughter po. That's all po.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy! One of my favorite memories with my mom is when we spent time together in Davao while she was here in the Philippines. It was a special moment because I really enjoyed bonding with her after being apart for so long. What I love the most about my mom is how loving and hardworking she is. So my message for you, Mom, is thank you so much for all your sacrifices. I hope you have a beautiful and wonderful Mother's Day. I love you. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy! My favorite memories with my mom is when my mom came home from Kuwait. I missed her so much, and I was really happy to see her again. What do I love most about my mom? I love how strong and caring she is, and she works hard for us to give us a better life. And my message to her is, thank you, Mom, for everything. I love you so much and I'm really proud of you. Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, Kuya Seto, first question. What makes your mom happy?
When the house is clean po.
Ano pa?
And pag tumatawa po kami lahat.
Oh.
Family.
Okay. Then second question. What his favorite things to do?
Favorite things to do. Family night po. Movie. Tapos, nagluluto siya ng mga snacks.
Wow. And do you have any message for your mom for Mother's Day?
Mommy, happy Mother's Day. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your sacrifice. And happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng nanay natin. Yun lang po. Thank you.
First question. What makes your mom sad?
When the house is not clean and when she have work.
Oh. Then second question. What do you love about your mom?
When she is very happy in day off. When she come home.
Wow, to see you guys, huh? Do you have any message for your mom for Mother's Day, Ailey?
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Thank you for everything and thank you for the help that you gave us. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for every Mother's Day also.
Do you have any message to your mommy, Aliana? Okay. What is your message?
Mommy.
Mommy. Mommy.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
I love you.
I love you.
And then I tell her, Happy Mother's Day. Take care always. Mama, I love you.
This is your first question, RC. What is mom's favorite color?
Pink.
Wow. Second question, RC. What is your favorite things to do with mom?
First, cook the food and also wash the dishes.
Wow, galing naman, bravo. Do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day, RC?
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you so much.
Now, with first question. How does your mom makes you laugh?
Well, there are many things about my mom that could make me laugh, but if I had to choose one, it'd have to be when she reacts to scary movies. Whenever there's a scary scene coming up in a movie and then she reacts in a dramatic way, it always lightens the mood and makes it not scary anymore, but it's pretty fun.
Okay. So, if your mom becomes famous, what will it be for?
I have to think it would be for being a movie star or actress, not only because of her love for movies, but also because she can give out some very Oscar-winning award performances. Like, for example, when you forget to put the laundry, very nice, very nice. Mm-hmm.
Do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day?
The message, I'd like to thank her for teaching us to put God first and to always live in His image. And I thank her for her strict but caring personality in raising me and my siblings. That's all.
Basta ka naman? Okay, first question for your mom. What makes your mom sad?
When I get bad grades at school po.
Okay. Then, second question, JC. What do you love about your mom?
how she's equal with everyone and is fair towards everybody.
Do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day, JC?
Thank you, Mommy, for loving and caring for me, and thank you for raising me in a godly way.
MJ, how old is your mommy?
46 years old.
What do you love about your mom?
I love that she always teaches me with my lessons.
Do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you. Thank you for everything.
Hi, Ate Chloe! Kuya Jacob! Musta naman? I have a question to you guys for your mommy. First question, Ate Chloe. What is her favorite things to do?
One thing I noticed about my mom, one of her favorite things to do is that she would always love eating out as a family while we fellowship. It just shows that she loves us when we're all together. She loves it really when we are all together as a family, like sharing a meal and spending quality time together, like talking and laughing and such, like encouraging each other to love, like as a family talaga po. She really loves us.
Oh. For Kuya Jacob, what makes your mom happy?
It would be seeing us do God's will and serving the Lord po. Because it always brings her joy and peace for knowing that we are walking God's purpose and we're staying close to Him in everything we do po. So, yun po.
Wow. Then for Kuya Ate Chloe, what do you love about your mom?
Lahat.
So sweet.
One of the most noticeable things that I love about my mom is, syempre, how hardworking she is, and also how much prayerful she is. She's putting so much effort for our family, especially for us, her children. And I also got to see how her faith got stronger each day. It inspires us actually to trust in God more, just like how she trusts in God. And she also inspires us to keep going even though times are rough. That's actually what I love about my mom. She's always demonstrating that to us.
No, amen. For Kuya Jacob, what is something your mom always says to you?
How are you po? Yeah, so, how are you? It might seem simple, but it goes to show just how much she really cares for us po, and that she's always thinking of us po, wondering how we are doing, how the day is po, and always checking in and making sure we're doing okay po, and po.
Okay. So both of you, do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day?
Mother's Day, po. I just wanted to say po na how much I love and appreciate her po, and that I'm always thankful for her always being there for her, and the support and for the little things that she does for me po, and every day and po.
Hi, Mommy. First of all, happy Mom's Day, happy Mother's Day, and thank you for your endless hard work, for your prayers, and for the sacrifices that you've done for us. We actually don't deserve it, but we're so thankful to God that we have you as our mom. We always see how being both a mom and a wife may be really some struggles that you had. As I see it, I also believe that God is shaping you to become even more stronger day by day. So we would also like to share a Bible verse for you. It says here, Proverbs 31:28. Her children arise up and call her blessed, and her husband also, and he praises her. So that blessed is you, Mom. So we're praying that the Lord will continually bless you and always be with you every day. And we actually don't get to see you personally every day, but we're always waiting for your call every time. We may be busy, but we're not busy. We're not that busy for you, Mom. We love you so much, Mom. Happy Mom's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Ate. Hi, Andre, Bia, and Adi. So this is your first question, Andre. What is Mom's favorite color?
Pink.
Okay. For Adi, what do you love most about Mom?
I love my mom's personality, and she's very outgoing.
For Ate Bia, what's your favorite memory with Mom?
When we went on the roller coaster in Dubai.
Okay. Andre, what food does Mom cook the best?
Palita, because she makes the best palita.
Oh, wow. How about for Ate Bia? What's something Mom always forgets?
Mommy always forgets to lock the door of the house.
Okay. For Adi, what is your favorite things to do with Mom?
I like cleaning the house with my mom.
Wow.
Good job.
So, do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day?
I love you, Mommy. You're the best mom ever. Thank you for helping me in everything. And thank you, Jesus. And thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Thank you for always being there for me and always talking to me when nobody else would. And I love you. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. We love you.
It's Clark, Paul, and Samson. How are you? So I will ask you guys some questions about your mom. So don't be scared. I will not fight you. Okay, Paul. What is Mom's favorite color?
Oh, her favorite color is purple. 100%. Yung bag niya po, purple.
Everything's purple.
Not everything, pero she wants to have everything purple.
Okay, Clark. What do you love most about your mom?
Her cooking and how she talks, because it's funny.
Samuel, what's your favorite memory with your mom?
When she taught me how to cook.
Your best memory about your mom?
When she taught me how to cook.
Is that the your honest answer?
No, it just came to my mind.
Think about it. When you think about it, the best the core memory about your mom?
Eating outside.
So that's the best memory when you eat outside. Okay, Clark. What is something your mom always forget?
She forgets me most of the time because she calls me Paul, Samuel.
I agree. Who's Clark?
Sam, what food does your mom cook the best?
The fried fish. Especially when she cooks it with my dad.
So it's the best. finally, Paul, what is your favorite thing to do with your mom?
Oh, my favorite thing to do is probably cleaning with her. It's because we share the same personality. Like, gusto namin, dapat malinis talaga yung bahay, walang kalat. So, that's my favorite thing to do, cleaning.
Lastly, do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day? Anyone if you can start, or you want it simultaneously?
Okay, I'll start. So, Mama, happy Mother's Day. Obviously, we love you, and my prayer is that you'll continue to be the kind of mom you are, and I pray that God will continue to sustain you and bless you, and the same to all of the mothers watching this right now. So thank you, Mama, for everything. Thank you for your efforts, your sacrifice. Same also with Daddy. I appreciate everything that you do. So
happy Mother's Day, and I will love you always, and thank you for everything.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for all your sacrifices and hard work for me and my brothers. Happy Mother's Day. We love your cooking.
Bye-bye! We love you!
Thank you, guys!
Thank you.
First question, Ate Kailin. What is her favorite things to do?
Favorite things to do, spend time with us, watch Meet Your Garden, and sing Carpenter's songs.
Okay. For Ate Yvette, what makes your mom happy?
Of course, me po.
Wow. Third question for Ate Kailin. If your mom becomes famous, what will it be for?
For her life sayings or words of wisdom po.
Yeah, okay. For Ate Yvette, how does your mom make you laugh, Yvette?
I think when she speaks English to us.
Okay, do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day? Ate Kailin?
First, happy Mother's Day, Mama. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for us and for all the sacrifices you made for us. Thank you for always taking care of us, and thank you Ren for being both our Mama and our Papa. We love you so much. Happy Mother's Day.
How about you, Ate Yvette?
Mom! Thank you talaga sa lahat. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Ulit, happy Mother's Day to you.
Jem! Hi, Jed!
Hello po.
Here's your question. For Jed, what is your favorite things to do with mom?
My favorite thing to do with my mom is when we go out together and eat dinner, and when we hang out together and go through. Especially the time when we were here in Philippines, we had vacation and we went up in Baga together. Yeah, that's all.
Wow. How about for Jem? What food does mom cook the best?
She cooks spaghetti, laing, and adobo really well.
Wow. So for another question for Jed, what's something mom always forgets?
Something my mom always forgets is her phone. When she goes to work, before going to work, she forgets her phone, so she has to walk back upstairs to get it.
Okay. Then for Jem, what do you love most about mom?
I love everything about mommy. Just to name a few, is I love mommy's unwavering support and love.
Yes, amen. Do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day?
My message to you, Mommy, is that I love you so much and we miss you so much and we're very excited to see you this June. And for me, my message to you, Mommy, is to the world, you are a mother, but to our family, you are the world. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. We love you.
Yeah, this is your first question. What food does Mom cook the best?
My favorite food is buffalo wings because it's very delicious.
Wow. What is your favorite things to do with Mom?
My favorite things to do with my mom is like arting crafts because she helps me a lot.
Okay. So do you have any message to your mom for Mother's Day, Josiah?
I do. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Thank you for guiding me and supporting me all the way I've been to. I love you. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you.
For question number 1, our favorite memory with our mom was every time we would turn the house into a restaurant and treat our mom as a customer when she would come home.
For question number 2, what we love most about our mom is how she is a strong woman who gets her strength from God. Here you go. Hello, Mama. Thank you for working so hard for us and raising us in a godly way. Happy Mother's Day. We love you and we miss you.